So this is the final result of the drawing. Now if you want to draw with me, let's start. I'm starting from the nose. The pencil I'm using is from Derwent brand, Derwent pastel pencil, and the paper is a black paper. This is from Brastro brand, not a sketchbook paper but it's a pastel paper. So graining 270 GSM thick. So now let's draw with me. I'm drawing the face of a dog, and there will be the eyes. I'll work slowly so that anyone can do with me. This is the eye. Some little touches of the pencil will work. I'll take the pencil right now. I'll set some portions. I'm very happy that many of you are drawing with me. So it's my pleasure. I'm drawing in simple ways so that anyone can understand and can draw with me. And I'm doing simple things today so that anyone can draw this. Not very hard things. A simple dog portrait. Derwent pastel pencil, I will tag the product if it's available. I'll give the pencil name and paper name in the description box so that anyone wants to buy can search it. You can buy online from Amazon. It's a simple drawing. Anyone can do. So my drawing is nearly complete. How it is? If you like the drawing, then please do subscribe my channel and give a like. There is some retouches. So that's it. So thank you very much. Follow me on Facebook and subscribe on YouTube. Thank you. Bye bye.